Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on MicroVision. I've covered this one quite a few times here in the past, and as you can see, I have a couple shares, and I'm currently in the red. So this is MicroVision, ticker MVIS. Here you can see what it's done over the last year. It's had a couple good run-ups. You could have really made some money if you'd have got back in October. Or even back in January, it done pretty good. So it's had a couple runs up here to 23.72, then pulls back about 50%, runs up to 15, pulls back again, 18 on down to 10.50. Had a nice run up here back in April, and came back down, and so it's just up and down, up and down. So maybe we'll see another run up here. Who knows on this one? So need to pick up a couple more shares and lower my cost basis, but I haven't on this one for a while. So if you don't know what this one is, it is the development of laser beam scanning technology. Offers a product under the Pico P brand. And like I said, I've covered this one a couple times. It's 3D perspective LiDAR sensing and consumer electronics. This one's been around since 1993, 3.94 million shares, and a $4.16 billion market cap. Here's a look at the earnings. So just a quick snapshot on the earnings, and looks like they didn't make it the last couple times. So trying to get the earnings up. Here's where I bought mine back in April. Looks like I did get one for under $20, $21.60, $22, and $16.93, but need to get a couple more and lower my cost basis, and but we will see how that goes. MicroVision announced its second quarter 2021 results. This is dated yesterday. So the leader in the MEMS-based solid-state automotive LiDAR and micro-display technology for augmented reality today announced its second quarter 2021 results. Revenue for the second quarter of 2021 was $0.7 million compared to $0.6 million for the second quarter in 2020. The MicroVision's net loss for the second quarter of 2021 was $15 million. Or 9 cents per share, which includes a $7.9 million of non-cash compensation expense, compared to a net loss of $2.3 million, or 2 cents per share, which includes $0.2 million of non-cash compensation expense for the second quarter of 2020. Cash used in operations in the second quarter of 2021 was $6.7 million compared to cash used in operations in the second quarter of 2020 of $2.9 million. So trying to get their revenue and cash and everything up, and hopefully that will drive the stock back up, and so we'll just have to wait and see on that. You can find all this right here on Yahoo Finance. Moving on here, MicroVision Q2 earnings snapshot, and here's just a different look at it. So on Wednesday, they reported a loss of $15 million in the second quarter on a per-share basis. The Redmond, Washington-based company said it had a loss of 9 cents. Losses adjusted for non-recurring costs came to 4 cents per share. So the maker of drivers for miniature video displays posted revenue of $746,000 in the period. MicroVision shares have more than doubled since the beginning of the year. In the final minutes of trading on Wednesday, shares hit $12.22, more than quadrupling in the last 12 months. So just waiting to see what this particular company is going to do to get their stock price up. That's kind of what I've been waiting for. It was going pretty hot there for a while, and then pulled back. Here's some more information on reports Q2 loss misses revenue estimates, again dated yesterday. So loss of 4 cents per share. The company in line with Zach's consensus estimate. This compares to a loss of 2 cents per share a year ago. So they haven't been profitable for, it looks like, quite a while. Keep showing a loss. And so I'm just going to scroll through this information for those of you that like to pause. And moving on, why MicroVision shares shot up 15% today, and this is dated on the 4th. So again, yesterday the automotive LiDAR micro display technology company surged over 15% in the extended trading session on Wednesday. MicroVision on Wednesday reported better than expected results for the second quarter. The company's second quarter revenue was $746,000, up 30.4% from $572,000. So it looks like it was up a little bit, but still showing losses. And we'll see if we can get this company to get turned around and get the stock price back up for us. MicroVision stock could be worth considering, and this is dated here today, so the 5th. So again, fell minus 2% below its previous day close as a downside momentum from buyers pushed the stock's value to $12.22. Look at the stock's price movement. The close in the last trading session was $12.47, moving within a range of $12.16 and $12.88. The beta value 5-year monthly was 4.09, turning to its 52-week performance of 28. And $1.25 were the 52-week high and 52-week low, so quite a difference in there. So if you got in at $1.25 and sold out at 28, you'd been doing really well. So that'd be a really good return on your money on that one. But unfortunately, that wasn't the case for myself. I bought it at the high and it's going down, so I did the opposite. So that's how the channel got its name, falling forward instead of backwards. So back over here to Reddit. DD, let's see if we can find any recent information here. Not much. Over here to stock twits, currently at $14.30, a low of 125, high of 28. Shorty getting bulldozed. We break 15 and 18 and we'll get the picture. Collecting bags, bearish on MicroVision, hilarious. There are some dedicated idiots on this board. Keep up the good work. Always a bunch of trash talk, always bulls and bears on there. And over here on tip ranks, currently at 14.38. This is showing a hold, and they don't even show a price, which is very interesting. But that's all I have on MicroVision. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments and your thoughts on this one and LiDAR in general. And that would help us out with the MicroVision. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.